That was it right there.
That's the money shot.
We're Aaron and Erica, a couple in love with traveling who want to experience everything the world has to offer. Follow along as we make our way through every country, eating and seeing as much as possible. Let the adventure continue.
Okay, so we're off on a brand new adventure and we're a little behind. Erica did some last minute packing, so we're rushing to try and make our flight. Let's see where she's at.
Yes, Smileys.
Let's hurry up and get to the airport.
I got randomly selected to get patted down. So, there's that.
Okay. That was bad timing.
All right, we have finally arrived in the Chicago airport to leave. We actually got in Chicago yesterday. We've been here for 24 hours, so you can go watch our short on our time in Chicago. We didn't do a ton of filming, but we still have another hour and a half. We unfortunately did not get into the lounge, so we're just hanging out, and then we're gonna get on our flight in just a little while. We have a short layover in Iceland, and then we'll be at our first destination.
That's it.
We're finally in Amsterdam. We are waiting on our bags still. We never check bags, but we semi had to. So we're just waiting on our bags. We're gonna go drop them off at the hotel, and then we're gonna do a small amount of exploring before calling it quits tonight early and passing out. I'm pretty stoked. This whole hotel is made up of different types of rooms that have different themes. So we are in this area that has a bunch of secret bookcase type of rooms. So let's go check ours out. So we have the window, and then we just have the bed here. And we can see out to the Volkswagen car out this way. Obviously, they all close. It is a shared bathroom, so it's just the room itself, but it's really cute. And we have different themed rooms, so we'll have to go check out everyone else's room too. Everyone else is apparently taking a quick nap, but if we go to sleep, we're not gonna wake up. So we're gonna go explore the hotel because we have no idea where anything else is at, and then we're gonna go get a coffee. This is the bathroom. They actually have pretty nice showers, but I mean they're communal, but they look good. This is just a little chill hang area. Then they have a bar in there, and I think a restaurant too at night that has Thai food. So I might eat here once. This is very cute. I think I made a good choice. We've been in Amsterdam for about an hour so far, and it's wonderful. We literally just walk outside of our hotel, and there's this little coffee shop that's right by the river, and they just brought us our coffee, and it comes with little miniature cookies. Delicious. We're gonna go mess with Lexi, Sarah, and Kinsey. Alright, we didn't get the room tour because there was some inappropriate exposure. But Kinsey is gonna go check out our room now. This is my niece. Wave hi. Hi. Go ahead.
First of all, how do you like my outfit? Satchel. The second most important thing is we're going to what park? Say again?
Vondel.
Vondel Park.
No, it's Vondel.
Vondel, Kim.
Oh, well, it said Orgel on that
Okay,
side.
anyway.
But that's all we have for now, and then we're going to get some eateries afterwards. Boom! What do you want to say to the camera?
He is crazy.
I am crazy.
1, 2, 3.
And she goes, I'm just kidding. That's your sister.
No. Come on. I don't know who that is.
You see that? Now that we've enjoyed the park, we're gonna go get some food because we've not eaten all day.
So now that we're done at the park, we're gonna go and we're gonna have supper at the food park. So come on.
Like, I've never been out here.
Let's go get some food.
We're getting food.
What are you getting?
Pizza. Cheese.
Cheese. Sounds delicious. Am I gonna have some? Can I have some of your pizza? Can Erica have some of your pizza? Now we know who the favorite is. We got a new videographer that we just hired for free.
We decided we just wanted to try a bunch of different things.
Hey, Eric.
So we got a pulled
You're
pork.
fired. And you're fired.
That's true.
Okay. We decided we wanted to try a bunch of different things. So we got some veggie dumplings, a pulled pork sandwich, French fries, onion rings, and we also have some balls that we want to get.
Cheese balls. Cheese balls.
Cheese balls, but we haven't got them yet. So it's all delicious so far.
It's my eyes are bigger than my stomach.
Kids,
Yeah, that fell on the ground. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm pretty hungry. Alright, we finished our food. We didn't get quite everything we wanted because we got full. But then we decided gelato or no gelato, and the consensus was gelato. So now we're on our way to get gelato before we go take showers and go to bed. I limited myself to only one scoop of cheesecake. It's cherry cheesecake. It's delicious.
Hi.
All right, we walked back to our hotel. We're gonna call it a night. We're all pretty tired. But tomorrow, we have a full day planned and we'll be out late. So we're gonna get a lot of good sleep tonight and then we'll wake up tomorrow refreshed.
You tired, kids?
Yeah.
Let's go get some sleep.
Let's go.